Foul jersey number 3, Ebdani.
Lahi ba?
Wala pa rin. Pareho nagmamadali. Pabili niya to Ebdani. Grabing sidestep naman yun. Bernal to Lastrado. Lastrado pumukol ng 3. Wala. Abukayon. Desacol. Counted. Foul jersey number 12. Second team foul. Bonus shot by Abukayon. Save ball. 14-second shot clock. Abukayon again, 2 points. Bumaligtad na po ang sabaw. Lamang ang Team Slasher. Score 6-4. Bernal, pakita mo kung sino ka, Bernal. Pakita mo. Hindi nakita. Traveling. Ikot natin ang araw. Bernal, 2 points. Inuubo na po ang ating mga katabi. Desacol. Foul jersey number 44, Lastrado. Pabilina to Alejo. Back to Pabilina, pumukol ng 3. Montik na. Follow up by jersey to Pabilina, pumukol ng 3. Montik na. Follow up by jersey number 2. Score 8-6. Bernal, pakita mo. Hindi nakita. Foul jersey number 17, Fabilina. Third team foul, 17, Fabilina. Lastrado, no good. Bernal, pakita mo. Nakita, no good. 2 points. Bernal, pakita mo. 15-second shot clock. Pabili niya to Ebdani. Outside.
Natapik niyang gamot.
Celebrado dribble the ball. 15-second shot clock. Pass to 3 seconds violation ng itlog sa ilalim. Alejo pass to Pabilinia. Pumukol na 3. No good. Rebound by Mariano. There's a call. No good. Rebound by Mariano. Foul jersey number 7. Oras po natin 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Second throw, no good. Rebound by Gomadlas. Intercepted. Pabilina, libreng-libre. 2 points. Time out, Team Slasher. Celebrado to Abukayon. No good. Alejo to Pabilinia, libre again. Easy 2 points.
Kita na.
Klaro kayo.
Traveling violation. Pabilinia to Alejo. 3 points. Lastrado boarding 2 points. Pabilinia back to Alejo. 12-second shot clock. Mariano 2 points. Mariano 2. Ten-second shot clock. Enviro ball. Mariano again. Adobo. Abordo pala. There's a call. Foul jersey number 44. First round, no good. Pangalawang bato. Wala pa rin. Celebrado to Lastrado. Pumukol ng 3. No good. Gumadlas. 2 points. Gumadlas. 2 points. Intercepted. Nag-aagawan sa bola. Alejo to Mariano. Mariano. Airball. Gumadlas to Celebrado. Intercepted. Pabilinya bumukol ng 3. No good. Oras 1 minute and 40 seconds. Below 2 minutes na po ang oras. Lastrado to Gumadlas po ang oras. Lastrado to Gumadlas.
16.
10 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 3 pumukol ng 3. No good. Slasher ball. Last 1 minute. 15 second shot clock. Intercepted. 25 seconds. Pabilinya, 2 points. Bernal, pakita mo kung sino ka. No good. Pabilinya to Alejo, pass to Mariano, 2 points. 35 seconds remaining time. 30 seconds. Score 16-20. Lamang ng 4 ang 10 seconds. Bernal, wala. 15 seconds. Alejo. Basket count. Foul, jersey number 14. Oras, 13 seconds. Warning for penalty na po tayo. 13 seconds remaining time. Bonus shot, no good. Line ball. 11 seconds remaining time. Five seconds. Lastrado, no good.
Uy. Nag-foul pa?
Sino foul rep?
Mariano.
2 seconds remaining time. Mariano, foul, jersey number 12.
2 seconds. 2 seconds.
2 seconds remaining time. Unang bato, pasok. End of the first quarter.
Shit.